Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my big Arencia's massive beauty haul. So here are the skincare serums. So there are total almost 8 products or maybe more than that. But let's see how many they are. And they contains cleansers, different types of cleansers and the serums. And the most important and beneficial thing about this brand is that all the products are completely 100% vegan and cruelty free. They are organic products and good skincare. So first I got the Arencia's Calendula cleanser. Here you can see it completely gives the clean girl vibes. The Instagram aesthetic. And this one is the fresh green mochi cleanser. This one is the most viral cleanser, so I'll make another video for all these cleansers. And this one is the royal blue hyssop cleanser. Let's open it and see its color. Oh, it gives completely the ocean girl vibes. Look how soft sky blue color it has, and its smell is as delicate as its color. And here I get the royal Rosehip cleanser. So I got the two boxes of each of the cleansers, like two boxes of the royal Rosehip cleanser, two boxes of the royal blue cleanser, two boxes of the green mochi cleanser, and two boxes of the calendula cleanser. Because I heard that this brand is the most beneficial for the skincare, and I will soon upload the results of their skincare products. And here I got the Holy Hyssop serum number 30, and I got the two boxes of this one too. Here is the another one box. Let's open it. And this is the Holy Hyssop serum number 12. I always thought that girls have their glass skins, and I wanted to give try for myself too. So I got the first Korean skincare brand, and let's try and see it out. And this one is the fresh green cleanser. Look, green mochi cleanser. This one is the most viral cleanser on the Korean social media. If you guys have heard about it, look. It gives the grass and like fresh greenery vibes. And this one is the Calendula cleanser. Look how soft the yellow color is, and the smell, it just smells in the air. And this one is the soft pink, which really gives me the vibes of the sweet and soft girly. Like I said, I bought the two boxes of each of the cleanser. It this one gives me like it's really made of the roses, fresh roses. And this is the serum. This is the dark blue shade, and it really absorbs in the skin so smoothly and gives us so soft vibes. And let's try this one. Look, this one is the most sweet mini box, and I really like this one, the color and the vibe. And look, I just put the one drop on and how it smooth absorbs on my skin.